Getting new YouTube video ideas is not always easy, especially if you want to avoid competing with huge YouTube channels. Even though the competition might be high, there are always new topics to talk about or different ways to cover existing topics on a video. With Nichesss, you can get new YouTube video ideas fast for your titles, but also to generate outlines and opening lines to hook viewers from the start. In this video, I will show you what is Nichesss, why use Nichesss YouTube video ideas tool, how to get video ideas with 4 different tools, and also how to get more variations from those same ideas you got. So instead of getting, for example, 4 titles, you can get the double of that with different words added, or even find out longer titles that still include your main keywords. If you stay until the end, I'm also going to show you how to edit and validate content ideas to pick the very best that will potentially give you the best results, and I will also tell you how you can get a Nichesss lifetime deal so that you only pay once instead of paying monthly with the regular pricing plans. So stay tuned if you would like to check that out. Hi, I'm Hugo from waketake.com, and in this video I will show you how to get tons of YouTube video ideas with Nichesss, but it may also work for other AI tools as well. Nichesss is an app with 150 plus AI tools that generate unique content using GPT-3, but also other sources, and you can get business ideas, copy for blog posts, social media, ads. You can also get YouTube video ideas and even AI images. Now to the main topic of the video, which is the YouTube random video ideas generator, which is an AI tool within Nichesss that will give you new video ideas for any YouTube niche or channel. All you need to do is enter your channel name, channel category, and a description telling what your channel is about to start getting new ideas. Although it is called random video ideas, this tool will give you different ideas if you change one or more of the fields. So you don't need to actually be limited to the first 3 or 4 ideas that it gives you. You can then change the description slightly, add text, remove text, or say the same thing in a different way to then get more and more video ideas. There are many reasons to use the tool, but the fact that it can spit out tons of ideas in seconds is already very handy. However, it doesn't mean that you need to use all of them, because in the end you can just pick the best. A well-executed video can make a difference between getting hundreds or thousands of views, or even to reach a very specific type of user interested in what you have to say. Whenever you feel like you don't have any more ideas or just want a different title for the same YouTube video, consider giving this tool a try. To check some YouTube video random ideas, input examples, you can click on the Learn More button while on the Nichesss homepage. The inputs are those fields where you type your channel name, channel category, and what the channel is about. In this example, we have a channel which is Mikey's Cars blog that gives advice, which is the channel category, about how to improve your credit so you can buy a car, which is a no-brainer. Examples are important to follow if you want to get the best results with tools, and they can help you articulate what you are thinking about. They will also appear below each one of the fields in any Nichesss tool so that you know what type of input the tool expects you to give in order to get good results. So the random video ideas generator is cool, but what if you already have a title but don't know how to structure your video, what topics to cover to keep viewers interested? Well, Nichesss has tools to help you with all of those tasks as well. So you can keep your work going no matter what and generate content fast, even from scratch. If you have done some keyword research already, then YouTube keywords to video titles is the best tool to use. Compared with the previous one, you still need to provide a channel name, category, what the channel is about, but there's also an extra field to include keywords called search keywords, which is the most important one for this tool. My content is usually made around very specific keywords, so I tend to use this tool more often than the others. With that being said, you can also just include generic, broader keywords to get get different long titles and then double check them on your keyword research tool as a way of finding low competition keywords, or just doing the opposite. Let's say that you've just got your YouTube title with the other tools, but now you don't know how to start. You really need a punchy opening line to keep your audience engaged and make them watch the rest of the video. Besides helping you with retention, opening lines or hooks can also give you a different approach or angle that has not been covered yet for the whole video, when compared with videos that have similar titles, giving you a competitive advantage. Of course, don't forget your audience and use it within reason. If your viewers are mostly entrepreneurs and small businesses, you should still focus on them and not shift too much with the opening that you will set them off and they will instead watch a video from someone else's channel. Like the previous tools, it keeps the same three fields with the exception of the last, which is the title of the video, provided that you already have a title and the other info, because the fields are the same for the previous tools. You can just copy paste and click generate content. You already have some video ideas and titles, but what about the topics you are going to cover throughout the video? That's exactly what an outline is for, and you can generate your own with the YouTube video outline tool. It requires a channel name, category, what the channel is about, and a title to generate outlines, and then you can pick the best ones. I usually use this while I am writing a video script because I want to get more ideas or more subtitles or just more sections to use throughout the video, and so I usually do double check the content that I already have within the tool. Remember all the tools that I've just talked about? Well, this is just scratching the surface. In fact, you can do much more with niches. You can get thousands of different variations by tinkering with all of those fields. Even more if you copy different titles and what your channel is about section to other tools such as the content improver, the content continuer or content expander, or even keyword to paragraph or content rewriter. You will be able to get a lot of different variations and even more ideas. Niches can provide good results with the right inputs, but sometimes you might want to edit the content you get from it to fit your YouTube channel identity or brand. Another extra step to take into account is validating ideas that you got from niches that you did not do any prior research on. Your validation process can be as simple as introducing your title on a keyword research tool, seeing how much interest a certain topic has at the moment, looking for questions related to your videos on forums and Q&A sites, or you can combine all of that info on a spreadsheet or Notion, which is what I like to use to keep all my content ideas in one place. The more data you get, the easier it will be to estimate how your video might perform on YouTube, but you should also take into account your gut prediction depending on your own YouTube analytics and the content that you've posted before that got results and more views. As you can see, now you have a big chunk of the research work cut out for you. Your video ideas, titles for your video ideas, opening lines and outlines. Now it's up to you to write the video script, record and upload. Nichesss is currently selling for $59 for a one-time fee on an exclusive AppSumo lifetime deal with unlimited access and features. That's a bargain when compared with regular monthly plans starting at $9 per month for the same tool that can help you produce ideas and content much faster. You can check the AppSumo playlist on the cards for more exclusive lifetime deals and other AppSumo tools. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more marketing and AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.